This is our best question for Alaga Halloween Year 2025. What's your name? Amelia. Your name is Amelia. What's your inspiration?
Like to swim po, he's a swimmer, so I think gusto talaga yung pag-swim. So talagang in-implement na lang namin magiging perfect niya kasi kahit sa lugar, talaga nilalabon niya lang.
Ayan. Thank you, Camila. So the prize will be given here. Picture. Pwede po dito tayo picture.
May gumugulo ng buong sa gitna. Oh, hala.